Can I get in there with you?
Sure.
Sure? You think I can fit?
Yeah.
Yeah? Should I get in the front or the back?
Or back.
In the back? Hmm.
Sit there.
Sit there? Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Do I fit?
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Oh, we fit. I don't think we fit. I'm not in it. I'm too
Do you
big.
like the wheelbarrow, Emily?
I'm too big. Here.
Emily, you like the wheelbarrow?
Let's wheel over to Kathy. Can you say hi to Kathy?
Thank you.
Can you say wheelbarrow?
Wheelbarrow.
Very good.
Very good. What's your name?
Emmy.
Emmy. And how old are you, Emmy?
Are you 8?
8.
No, are you 2? Say, I'm 2 years old.
I'm 2 years old.
Very good, sweetie. You like that wheelbarrow.
It was fun. It was fun.
Very fun.
Thank you for inviting Steve to take a ride with you. That was nice.
Very nice. You're very generous.
There was slide done.
Oh no! What's going to happen? Can you walk the wheelbarrow around?
No.
No? You're going to get in?
Yeah.
Hi, Emily. You fit good in that wheelbarrow.
Whee!
We?
There was fun.
Is that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, go in the slide. And stick in the slide.
Here we go, here we go. Oh, 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 scary. Whoa. Oh.
No, it's not scary, Emily, is
I've
it?
got it. I'm holding it. I'm holding it, see? Whee!